In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Wealthfront app on your mobile device. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, we've got you covered with these step-by-step instructions. So let's get started and make this process as smooth and easy as possible. First up, grab your phone and open your preferred web browser. Most people prefer using Google, so that's where we'll begin. Simply open your browser and navigate to Google's homepage. This is the perfect place to start when looking for an app, as it will help you locate the correct download link without much hassle. Once you're at the Google search page, type in Wealthfront app download in the search bar. This will show you results that take you directly to the app's official download pages, one for the Google Play Store and another for the Apple App Store. It ensures you're not downloading from any third-party sites, which can sometimes lead to security risks. Always make sure to download apps from official resources to protect your device and personal information. Next, review the search results and look for the link that directs you to Wealthfront Save and Invest apps on Google Play. Go ahead and click on that link. This should take you directly to the app's download page on the Google Play Store, specifically meant for Android users. If you're using an Android device, you'll want to follow along with this step to ensure you're in the right place. Now, for our iPhone users, the next step is crucial. Return to your search results and click on the link titled Wealthfront Save and Invest 4 Plus App Store. Clicking this will direct your browser to the Apple App Store page of the Wealthfront app. This page is formatted differently to suit Apple's store, but essentially serves the same purpose as Google's, ensuring you have access to the official app. If you're on an iPhone, the next step is simple. Locate the App Store button. Once found, click it to get redirected to the official app listing on the App Store. Here, you'll see all the app details along with reviews, screenshots, and additional information about the Wealthfront app. Make sure your device is compatible. Apps will usually indicate if they require a specific iOS version. Lastly, Android users might encounter a message about device availability. If you see this app is not available for any of your devices, it's possible that the app is not compatible with your current Android version, or perhaps there's an issue with the settings on your Play Store account. In such situations, double-check your device settings or consider contacting support to address any specific concerns. And there you have it. Just follow these straightforward steps to safely and securely download the Wealthfront app on your mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy investing!